Hi, I'm Sherry. I made meat floss last time and today I will make meat floss bread. The strong flour and plain flour are both good to make meat floss bread. Make room for the water in the middle of the flour. Melt the yeast and sugar in the water, then make them combine. Add an egg and whisk the egg with salt, then knead the mixture into a dough. The yeast could never work well if the salt absorbs the water first, so just mix the water and yeast before the salt. Rest for a while, then add butter. You can stir or knead the dough like this. When the dough is double-sized, knead it into a round dough. And cut it into 8 pieces. Shape them into small round buns. Rest for a while. Flatten the bun. Roll it and fold the edges at the same time. Now it turns into an oval bun. Let oval buns double size. Now let's bake them for 15 minutes. They are plain flour breads. If you use strong flour, they would be more flexible like this. Now let's make a very quick mayonnaise. It only takes you several minutes. That is vegetable oil, egg, salt, lemon juice, and sugar. Blend them with a stick blender for around 1 minute. You can make your own mayonnaise by adjusting the sugar. Okay, all sorted just in 1 minute. This time I will use chicken fillet meat floss. You can check my last video to see it is really easy to make meat floss. Mayonnaise, meat floss and bread. They are the 3 elements to make meat floss bread. It is easy, delicious, and are also good to make a lunchbox for the kid. I'm Sherry. Thumbs up and leave a comment if you like my video. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell and receive my news. Thanks for watching. See you next time.